Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing high plank shoulder taps. So when we do these, we are going to have our hands, fingers spread, because this is going to help us balance in our high plank. We want shoulders, elbows, and wrists all in one straight line, pressing the ground away. And we're going to make sure that our abs stay engaged, our quads are flexed, and our glutes are tight, squeezed really tight the entire time. So we're going to come out into our high plank. Remember, we're going to press the ground away, never sinking down through our shoulders, always pressing the ground away. Now we're nice and engaged here. Our feet can be a few inches apart from each other because we are going to balance to tap our opposite arm. So see, I had to widen my feet. So a few inches, about a foot. And the idea is to not rock our bodies at all as we tap our opposite shoulder. So for more core, shoulder building exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.